Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the tub seal gasket in your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because the gasket is damaged, causing your dishwasher to leak. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our dishwasher here. So this piece right around the door frame right there is our gasket. So in order to get it out, all we're going to do is just grab onto it and pull it right out. It's just in between two pieces of plastic. That's what holds it in. And we'll just pull out the old one. Like that. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement tub seal gasket. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we'll put our new tub seal in, and you're going to want to make sure that this ridged side, this really thick side, is what goes inside of this piece right here. So we'll start at the bottom here, and then just slowly work your way up as you push that piece in. And we'll just go back around one more time, making sure that that seal is in there nice and tight. And then once we've done that, you can close up your door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.